there's a lot of things we know California has problems with. We know that like waste, fraud, some of the welfare stuff that's been happening, the daycare, childcare stuff, it's quite frustrating to see how much money goes to fraud. We're all here working hard. A lot of people come in from here, from other countries, find ways to pull out massive amounts of money from the California government. What, in your time there, what did you see that, is there anything that California does exceptionally well? And where were the things that were like going the most wrong that are in need of servicing that you think would probably like continue to today as well?
What do we do exceptionally well? I mean, despite working for the government, I think obviously the most important thing about California is like the people who choose to live here and the like sense of entrepreneurship and like the ways in which the state can encourage that. And I think it can be easy to criticize California, as you say, but then yet things are still happening here. They like the future is being built here. So I think a lot of what I was focused on, um, again, was making sure the nuts and bolts. Like I don't know if you're gonna like I don't think the DMV is like amazing, or the Water Resources Board, but those things exist for a reason, and those reasons aren't. Uh, yeah, they make sense, and like trying to make them better. I think on the like fraud and waste side, a lot of what I was trying to do was create more transparency. I think like that is often the first step towards really understanding like inefficiency, fraud, and waste. I didn't experience any time in my state government tenure, and I don't think a lot of people do, where I like saw something egregious. Like if I saw something egregious, I would do something about it, right? I think what happens in practice actually is that there's a lot of people and they do well-meaning things and they like make a bureaucratic system, and then the like result of that system is that some outside adversarial actor can do bad things, right? So a lot of what I was trying to do was bringing information together, bringing data together, so you can like see those patterns, when they exist. But I think it's more uh, a lack of knowledge or a lack of capability that like creates these opportunities than it is the like blatant fraud or corruption on the part of the bureaucrat or even the elected official that like people want in their mind to believe. I just
It'd be
think
a lot simpler if it was that way. Yeah.
it would be a lot simpler. Like the truth is like, um, actually, I'll say the most negative thing I say to my friends about working at the state government, which is like, I'm just not sure any institution with 5, 6, 700,000 people can like be effectively managed. I mean, maybe now in the age of AI, but that's how I felt like when I was doing this in 2017, 18, 19. And by the way, that's just as true about, um, I don't know, JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, or our big competitors in the traditional competitors in the life insurance space. Like human institutions that get to a certain size, um, they're chaotic and they're messy and they're unmanageable. And I think it's easy to want there to be some like conspiracy. And even in the case of a company, you're like, oh, the CEO's in charge. But like the truth is like it's this more confusing, chaotic thing than that.